One of the other things about quilting that has changed is communication. And this particular quilt is a sampler quilt, just like the one that Carolyn McCormick did, except this was done in the 30s. Ruby Short McKim was a designer, and she would syndicate her patterns to newspapers around the 30s. And one of the neat things about it is, if you syndicate a pattern, that means you have, say, this block, and maybe you give it 5 different names. Then you can sell it to 5 different publications. So this was when quilting became an industry and a whole marketing thing. So here's the sampler from the 1930s, and it's done in 30s type fabrics. We have Nile green, which is ubiquitous with the 1930s. And she was able to communicate her quilt patterns through newspapers, Grange publications, and she had developed her own mailing list, so she had her own customers.